Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use @media in CSS. Start by picking breakpoint values and decide between min width or max width. Write a clear @media block and place only the rules that need changing. Keep selectors consistent and avoid duplicating declarations across multiple queries. Test across several viewports and devices to confirm layout shifts. Behave as expected and refine breakpoint values for smoother transitions and readability. When choosing breakpoints, look for where content breaks rather than targeting devices. Start with typical widths such as 320px, 768px, and 1024px and adjust to your layout needs. Prefer min width for a mobile-first approach and organize styles so base rules apply globally. Keep media queries readable by grouping related properties, and use shorthand when possible to reduce repetition and improve maintainability of your style sheet. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long coding sessions and fits in most cup holders, making sips between debugging easy. I love its leak-proof design and easy carry handle for on-the-go work. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Explore media features beyond width such as orientation, aspect ratio, and resolution to fine-tune responsive behavior. Combine conditions with and to target specific scenarios or comma to separate distinct queries. Use prefers reduced motion to respect user accessibility settings and consider reduced data to limit heavy resources. Keep rules focused and avoid overcomplicating queries so styles remain predictable and easy to update as your design evolves across devices and contexts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.